All that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about the internet. Today you can do just about anything on the internet, from reading the news to paying your bills.
Nearly 1 billion people are surfing the net every day.
We believe we're taking the gospel right into the devil's playground.
David Palmer of ChristianNetcast.com, a web streaming company based in Bangor, Maine, is helping take Christian ministries to the next level by streaming their audio and video live on the internet. He says it basically gives every ministry a global audience. It also allows for some interesting testimonies.
There was a lady a few years ago. She was surfing the internet looking for ways to kill herself. She was contemplating suicide. She stumbled across a broadcast, and it actually was a live church broadcast. And at the very moment that she got to it, the preacher said, "You know, someone right now, you're thinking that your life's just not worth it, but you need to know that God loves you." That woman fell on her knees in front of her computer and accepted the Lord.
Palmer says the woman was in Alaska, and the church service she stumbled onto was in Florida. He says internet evangelism has no borders.
You're starting to hear terms like virtual congregations. You have people that live in remote areas that can't go to a church and worship in the style that they're accustomed to because there's just not a church in that area. Or they live in a very remote area that might not even have a church. These people go online and actually participate in every aspect of the service, from the worship to the teaching, even the offering.
Palmer and others say the internet may be the greatest tool that God has ever given the church to help take the gospel to the ends of the earth. Wendy Griffith, CBN News.